Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead to install this gorgeous unit for you guys. It's from a brand called MalindaHair. They're an affordable wig company, and this is what comes in the box. It comes with your eyelash, it comes with your comb, it comes with these things I'm showing you on the screen, and obviously the star of the show, which is the wig. Alright, so this is the hairline that came directly in the wig. I didn't have to pluck it, I didn't have to do anything to it. This is exactly how it came right out of the box. So I'm just showing you, it has this elastic band, an adjustable elastic band. I always love a wig with an adjustable elastic band, always nice. So I'm just going to go ahead to wear my wig cap, and I'm not going to be doing the board cap method today because there's really no need for that. So I'm just going to go ahead to use my shine and jam and just kind of take my edges out of the way. Then I'm going to go ahead with my foundation, put it in the part I'm going to pattern the wig, and also put it on the wig itself. So guys, let me introduce this wig to you. This wig came with a nano lace, and the nano lace is like a different lace in the market right now. So it's different from your transparent lace, it's different from your HD lace. It's supposed to be like half the thickness of the normal lace. That's what it's supposed to be. So it kind of helps it kind of lay better and be more transparent and invisible on the skin. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I'm just showing you what it looks like, and then I'm going to compare the lace for you to see. So I have the brown lace, I have the transparent lace, and then I have my nano lace. And then as you can see, I'm putting the same amount of glue, not even the same, because for the transparent lace I had to go in with more glue to kind of just cover it up. So and I'm just going to allow that dry for you to see the difference, and you don't even need to even question. Like, you can literally see how it looks like on the screen and the kind of difference between all of them, and how the nano lace is just sitting transparent on the skin. And so that's the difference between this nano lace and every other lace in the market. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the hairline this wig comes with. It's called the Bionic hairline, and this hairline is really nice and it's really looking natural because of the nano lace. They kind of use the nano lace to create a more natural hairline because the holes in the nano lace are really tiny, so it helps with ventilation, and so the knots on the wig are not so big because there are lots of holes in the ventilation. Because I understand ventilation, is actually very easy for me to explain and understand it, but just know that it kind of gives a more invisible knot, and it kind of helps your hairline look more natural and more realistic, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and start installing this wig. I'm just going to go ahead to cut the ear tabs off both sides. Then I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. So once I'm done spraying my Ebony Wonder lace spray down on the lace, I'm going to take an elastic band. I'm just going to tie that up for a few minutes, let it dry, I take it off, and then I just start cutting my lace. Once I'm done cutting off that lace, I'm just going to go ahead and spray around the perimeter of the hairline once again with the Ebony Wonder lace spray. Just going to take my hot comb and my wax stick and kind of use that to flatten out the wig completely, just to have a very flat install and have our wig not looking bumpy. this is what the wig is looking like once we take it off, once we take that the elastic band off after leaving it. And you can see the hairline is giving, but because I know I wanted edges with this wig, I kind of pushed the wig back a little bit, because if you want edges, it just kind of makes sense that way. For me though, that's just my preferred method. And then I'm just going to go ahead and separate out my edges from the hairline. And this is what we're having. So normally I wouldn't do edges, but I said I'm a child of God. Why wouldn't I know how to do edges? Like, I have to know how to do edges. So I really just finessed it and kind of did my own thing, but it's looking really cute. And then with the hair out, with the edges out, it kind of just gives the wig a different vibe. I don't know, it's giving let me style this wig that way, right? So I'm just going to go ahead with my mini flat iron, and then I'm just going to go ahead to curl that edges off. And I did my edges off camera actually, because it took me a while. I'm not an edges girl, but I just really wanted to incorporate edges in this look. So it did take me a while to kind of get everything. So I just did it off camera, and this is what it looks like when we're done. I think it came out really gorgeous, guys. Let me know what you think. I did the edges to be swooped into the wig, kind of different from, it's not different from the normal edges though, but I just wanted it to kind of swoop into the wig, not like just edges alone. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go ahead to define my parts. Guys, you always know that getting my middle part is just something for me. So I don't know why it's so difficult. I think my head is not symmetry. I don't know, but that's what it's given. So I'm just going to take my take home and just kind of push that foundation in. And this is the final look. This is what the wig is given. This is what the wig looks like. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know, rate my install skills. What do you think, guys? Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next week video. Love you. Mwah.